Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English Grammar Classroom Standard 7. It's Naila Froz Qazi. I am teaching you lesson number 23, tenses and their uses. Yesterday we completed lesson number 22 with the same heading, tenses and their uses. In that lesson we saw the present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Along with that, we also solved the exercise given behind the lesson. Now we shall learn lesson number 23, tenses and their uses, part 2. In this, first of all, open your books, page number 114. I am going to read the lesson. Listen carefully. Listen the lesson carefully. Number 1. The past simple tense. Past tense is further divided as follows. Like present tense, past tense is also divided into 4 types. The table of the past tense of the verb to give. It is explained, these lessons are explained with the verb to give tense. Conjugates: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Their active sentences will be subject plus gave. We take here verb gave. Past simple, the past tense of give. Past tense of give is gave. So subject plus gave. Active sentence, subject plus was, were plus giving, past continuous. Past perfect, had plus given, V3. Past perfect continuous, had plus been plus giving, means V1 ing. So these are the 4 forms of past tense in active tense and in active voice. Now see the passive form of these tenses in past simple tense. In past simple we use was, were plus given. In past continuous we use was, were plus being plus given. In past perfect we use had plus been plus given along with the subject. That is the passive form. The past perfect continuous tense is not used in passive form. Perfect continuous tenses are not used in passive forms. In last lesson also we see that present perfect continuous is also not used in passive voice. Like that, past perfect continuous is also not used in passive voice. Okay. Now see the uses of past simple tense. Past simple tense is used for to show a past action. Past action को show करने के लिए Dhruv threw a ball. Dhruvin, I think it is. Okay. Dhruvin threw a ball. Past tense. Throw past tense, threw. To show a habitual action in the past. जो हमारी past में action थी. The manager always went late to office. हमेशा की उसकी आदत थी कि वो ऑफिस में लेट जाता था. So past simple tense is also used to show past action. The manager always went late to office to show past situations. Past situation को show करने के लिए there were 5 mangoes in the basket. There were 5 mangoes in the basket. Past situation. In polite inquiries, often with words like hope, wonder, think, etc. I wonder if the supervisor assigned the work to the employees. For polite inquiries, past simple is also used with the words like wonder, hope, think, etc. Now come to the past continuous tense. Past continuous. The uses of past continuous tense are as follows. It is used with always, regularly, continuously, etc. for presiding, for persistent, habits in the past. The children were regularly completing their assignment. ये भी past situation को past habit को show करने के लिए use होता है. It is used with a time phrase to describe an action going on over a period of time or point of time in the past. एक particular टाइम पर होने वाली शुरू रहने वाली पास्ट एक्शन जो इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम से यहाँ तक ये काम पास्ट में शुरू था या एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे वो काम शुरू था उसको शो करने के लिए पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, श्रुति वॉज सेलिब्रेटिंग हर बर्थडे yesterday at 7 p.m. to show that an action was going on when another action takes place. I was reading a book when my mother called out to me. Past perfect tense. The uses of past perfect tense are as follows. To describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past. I had seen him ages ago. Past perfect. To distinguish between two actions taking place in the past, the former action is in the past perfect tense with the latter action in the simple past tense. I had written the note yesterday. I wrote the note yesterday. Past action को जो किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर कंप्लीट हुई हो पास्ट में, जैसे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है, हम जो प्रेजेंट में अभी अभी जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हुई है उसको शो करने के लिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज़ करते हैं. पास्ट में उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हुई हो, जस्ट देन कंप्लीट हुई हो, उसको शो करने के लिए हम पास्ट सिंपल यूज़ करते हैं. पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. To describe an action which began in the past and continued up to the certain period of time in the past. जो पास्ट में शुरू हुई और पास्ट में ही किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सर्टेन टाइम पर उस टाइम पीरियड तक शुरू रही और फिर ख़त्म भी हो गई. The board meeting had been going on for 2 hours before the director entered. डायरेक्टर के एंटर होने से पहले मीटिंग 2 घंटों तक शुरू थी. दैट इज़ द पास्ट कंटिन्यूस पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस एक्शन. पास्ट टाइम बोर्ड मीटिंग स्टार्टेड 2 hours. बोर्ड मीटिंग गोइंग ऑन एंड प्रेजेंट टाइम completed to the present time. Here timeline has been shown. The director entered. कब तक वो एक्शन शुरू रही? जब तक कि डायरेक्टर एंटर नहीं हुआ. बोर्ड मीटिंग हैड बीन गोइंग ऑन. तब तक जो है बोर्ड मीटिंग वहाँ पर शुरू थी. सो दैट इज़ द explanation of this lesson. You can see the timeline here. It is shown the how the action started in the past and completed in the past before a particular action. After that, here exercise is given. You have to write down the answer. So answers are given here directly. Take the screenshot of the first exercise. Answers are written here. The first exercise, it is not the time to read whole exercise, so please take a screenshot and complete in your notebook. Fill in the blanks using past simple or past continuous tense of the word given in the bracket. You dash the rainbow in the last evening. You saw, past tense. Rita dash spent the day with her friends yesterday. Rita spent the day with her friends yesterday. When we arrived, they were still sleeping. We got our independence in 1947. The action took place in the past at some particular time. When I spoke to her, she was reading a book. He knelt before his parents for an apology. Past simple tense. Now come to the next question. Take the screenshot also here of this page. It is question number I think 7. Vasco da Gama discovered, past tense, the sea route to India. Discovered. I was living in Bangalore when you were living in Mumbai. Two continuous past action going along. 5 years ago, Rajiv won the gold medal for swimming. Past simple. Sunil regularly attended all her classes on time. Number 10. Attended. Past simple. That was past simple. Take the screenshot if you cannot write. Now exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks using the past perfect and past perfect continuous tense of the words in the brackets. Had I known the way. Past perfect tense. Had I known the way, I would have reached earlier. The artist was very tired because he had been painting continuously. The manager realized he had taken a wrong decision. The lecturer had been delivering her lecture before the students arrived. The judge said that he had passed his verdict before. Anita stood first because she had studied the whole month. Previously, Josh had been a suitable candidate for this position. My mother was annoyed because I had been calling my friends every evening. Take the screenshot and complete your book. I think this is our last lesson. We have to stop our portion syllabus here. Other lessons are omitted because the book is too much bulky, and in online I have taught you enough material for the second term examination. So whatever I have taught you, learn that well for the second term examination. From I think it is from lesson number 8, 9, 10. You have to study for second term. This is my last lesson for English grammar. We shall meet in the English video next week. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.